Every day, thousands of old microwaves are discarded. But this is not the end, but the beginning. The journey of rebirth begins on these conveyor belts. Step 1. Washing away the dirt of time.
High-pressure water blows away the most stubborn rust.
No blind spot is missed.
They are completely washed before facing the new challenge. All chemical residues are removed.
After water comes fire. Time to dry thoroughly. Extreme heat bakes the steel shell. Burning away unnecessary plastic and impurities. The fire purifies everything. The core metal is now ready for the next step.
Tearing everything into tiny shreds. No matter how thick the steel, it cannot resist this power. Completely disintegrating the shell and wiring. The result is a mixture of copper, iron, and plastic. How to separate this mess?
Magnetic technology will handle that. Giant magnets suck up the iron shell. Keeping only the most valuable metal cores.
Tons of pure metal have been perfectly separated. Screened once more to ensure standard size. Now it's time to press them into uniform blocks.
Filling the chamber. Thousands of tons of pressure slam down.
Crushing them into solid metal bricks.
A solid steel block is born, neat and convenient. The process is continuous, without pause.
These microwaves are now just solid, raw material blocks.
They are entering the hottest challenge. Welcome to the blazing furnace. Plunging them into artificial magma.
Thousands of degrees Celsius will melt everything.
Swallowing everything whole. Even the hardest metal must surrender and melt. The boiling liquid mix is full of new potential. pouring out the purest metal batch. Only bright and valuable raw materials remain. Reshaping the destiny of the scrap. Pouring into ultra-hard hexagonal molds. The cooling process begins. New forms are about to be revealed. Forced cooling for rapid solidification. The solid steel billet is formed. Still rough, they need perfect grinding.
Stripping away the dull outer slag. Sanding every single millimeter.
Flattening completely to reveal the shine. Trimming the final edges.
Can you recognize these as old microwaves?
Every flaw is wiped clean.
The spectacular transformation is nearly complete.
A final wash to shine brightly.
Exquisite cutting creates absolute perfection.
The polishing process brings flawless beauty.
From waste trash, becoming the purest valuable materials.
A great cycle of metal waste.
Ready for rebirth.